So hey guys, I hope you all are doing good in your life. So in this video, we are going to cover a very interesting platform in which you can earn a lot of money by sharing this platform, by referring it to others, and I will show you live withdrawal, live deposit, and we are going to cover each and everything about this platform in this video. So this video is very interesting. Hit like button, subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. So the site's link is given in the description. You can simply see the video, then you can go to the site and you can invest accordingly if you want. I just want to clarify that I am not an investment or financial advisor, so you can take your decision accordingly. So simply you can see my screen here. This is the first interface, first look of the platform. Simply you need to register here. For registering, you need to enter your details here and set an password. Alright, please keep your password as a strong password. So when you will enter your details, then you can simply sign up or register here. After sign up, you can simply see this is the interface of the platform. You can see many options here. I just want to tell you this platform is really very great and very trusted. I am personally using this from a long period of time, that's why I'm sharing it with you. You can see you get many options here, like team option, like task option, like recharge, like withdraw, each and everything. In the team option, I just want to tell you, you can make your team and you can earn a lot of money from here. You can earn handsome amount of money from here. So you just need to copy your link and you just want to make as much as registration possible through your link. It could be your family members, friends, relative, teachers, or you can share it also on your social media platforms. So as many as people will register, you will receive a commission of 36%. Yeah, really, you will get a commission of 36% per person. Alright, this can really generate a lot of money, so you just need to share this as much as possible. Now you can simply see VIP option here. This is really very important, so just be careful now. In the VIP section, you can see there are many investment options, so we are going to cover and talk each and everything. Simply you can see in the VIP section, first of all we see VIP 0, then VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5. You can see here VIP 6 and you go up to VIP 10. Alright, in the VIP 10, the required investment amount is 60,050 USDT. It is really high. I will not suggest you for investment. It's up to you, as I am not a financial or investment advisor. Simply you can see I have invested in VIP 1 and my investment amount is also written here. So simply you can see I am using this platform. I have invested my own money in this, so I have a lot of trust on this site. You can simply see there are many other VIP opportunities also, like VIP 2, VIP 3. In the VIP 2, you can see the required USDT is 120 USDT and the total profit is 5,840 USDT. Yeah, it's really great. And your daily profit is 16 USDT. So you can simply see all the options here and you can check and refer accordingly. Now guys, you can see the task option here. So in whichever VIP you will invest, for example, we can say you have invested in VIP 3. So you just need to click on the task here, then you will complete the task. Alright, then you can come to me section. You can see my balance. When you will invest in VIP, you will do the task daily, your balance will keep on increasing. Now I will show you how to recharge and how to withdraw. Simply you will come to recharge section. You just need to copy this link and then you need to go to your wallet. So I am simply using Trust Wallet in this video. In the VIP 2, you can see the required USDT is 120 USDT and the total profit is 5,840 USDT. Yeah, it's really great. And your daily profit is 16 USDT. Simply you can see in the VIP section, first of all we see VIP 0, then VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4, VIP 5. You can see here VIP 6 and you go up to VIP 10. Alright, in the VIP 10, the required investment amount is 60,050 USDT. It is really high. I will not suggest you for investment. It's up to you, as I am not a financial or investment advisor. Simply you can see I have invested in VIP 1 and my investment amount is also written here. So simply you can see I am using this platform. I have invested my own money in this, so I have a lot of trust on this site. So you can see simply I will select my currency here. I will enter the amount and then I will paste the address and I will transfer the money. When you will come back to this site, you just need to click on recharge completed. Alright, and your funds will reflect here. So guys, you can see I have received the money now. The funds are reflecting now. You can see it is really very fast withdrawal. Under 30 seconds I received my money. Now I will show you live withdrawal, which is really very fast and very amazing. You can tap on the withdrawal option now. You just need to save an password here. Alright, and then you need to go back to your wallet, select the currency, which should be TRC20 only. About this site, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. So this platform is really very amazing, very surprising and very superb. The link is given in the description. You can simply go right now and register. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep earning.